Welcome to Crewe. Today we have a Seat Leon ST Cupra model, 300 PS output, finished in mystery blue. Featured on this car are the LED daytime running lamps and headlights, with front fog lights as well. "19" alloy wheels, black mirror caps and integrated LED indicators. Stunning vehicle with privacy glass and the optional panoramic roof. Front and rear parking sensors. And the cover can be easily put back, revealing a large loading space with space saver spare wheel included. Inside, the car's finished with half leather, half Alcantara. Four electric windows with electrically heated folding mirrors. Leather multifunction steering wheel. The car's covered just over 5,140 miles. With adaptive cruise. Touchscreen media display with DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming, satellite navigation, hands-free calls, and full link facility for Android and Apple phones. Dual climate control with heated front seats, keyless entry, 2 USB ports and wireless charging, storage in the centre, and an armrest as well. If you'd like any further details on this particular car, please contact Crewe on 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.